In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to add an intercompany account in Xero. This is an important setup if your business deals with multiple entities and you need to properly track transactions between them. Let's go ahead and walk through it in a simple and clear way. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Once you're on the home page, locate the Login option and click on it. Enter your email address and password that are linked to your Xero account. If you don't remember your details, you can use the recovery options provided on the login page. After entering your credentials correctly, click Log In to access your dashboard. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll want to move to the Accounting section. Look at the main navigation menu at the top of the screen and click on the Accounting tab. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your financial accounts are managed, and it's the place where we will create the new intercompany account. Inside the Chart of Accounts page, look for a button that says Add Account and click on it. This will open a setup window where you can configure the new account. The first thing you need to do is choose the correct account type. This is very important because it determines how the account will behave in your financial reports and transactions. For intercompany transactions, make sure you select the most appropriate account type based on your business structure. Next, you'll be asked to enter an account code. This code is a unique identifier for the account, so it should be structured in a way that makes sense for your internal system. Try to keep it consistent with your existing chart of accounts so everything stays organized. After that, give your account a clear and descriptive name. The name should make it easy for anyone on your team to understand what the account is used for without needing extra explanation. Since this is an intercompany account, you might want to include the related company name or purpose in the title. Now, you may see an option to enable payments to this account. If your workflow requires transactions to be processed or settled through this account, go ahead and tick that option. This ensures the account can actively be used in financial transactions rather than just for tracking purposes. Once all the required fields are filled in and everything looks correct, take a moment to review your details. Make sure the account type, code, and name are all accurate because this will affect how your financial records are structured going forward. When you are satisfied, click the Save button to create the account. At this point, your intercompany account has been successfully created in Xero. You can now start using it for recording transactions between your company entities, and it will automatically be included in your accounting system for reporting and reconciliation. And that's it. You've now learned how to add an intercompany account in Xero from start to finish. Setting this up properly helps keep your financial structure clean, accurate, and easy to manage as your business grows.